Max Kumagoro Channel。Hi, I'm Max Kumagoro. In this video, we will go on walking tour in Ueno. The first one is Statue of Tokamori Saigo. Tokamori Saigo has a katana.
The statue of Takamori Saigo in Ueno is a bronze statue honoring Takamori Saigo, a historical hero of Japan. He was an important statesman from the end of the Edo period to the early Meiji period. The statue symbolizes Takamori Saigo's stature and the role he played in his time, and was installed to honor his achievements. For visitors, it is a symbolic reminder of the importance of Japanese history and leadership.
The next one is Shinoba's Badge. It smells good like incense.
Shinobazunoik Pond is a natural pond located in Ueno Onshi Park. Shinobazunoik Pond is located at the southern end of Ueno Onshi Park and has a circumference of approximately 2 kilometers, with a total area of approximately 110,000 square meters. At the center of Shinobazunoik Pond is Shinobazunoik Rentendo.
The next one is Hanazono Inari Shrine. The red tree gate is beautiful.
Hanazono Inari Shrine is located in Ueno Park. It is a mysterious shrine with many torii gates. Hanazono Inari Shrine has long been said to be beneficial for matchmaking, employment, and other such matters. In modern times, together with the adjacent Gojoden Shrine, it has become a popular power spot in Ueno Park.
The next one is Ueno Daibutsu. Wow, big face.
The Ueno Daibutsu is located in Ueno Onshi Park in Taido-ku, Tokyo, where only the face of the statue survives. Originally built in the early Edo period, 1603 to 1867, the statue suffered frequent fires and earthquakes until the end of the Edo period, and was a seated Shakyamuni Buddha statue about 6 meters high until the Great Kanto earthquake of 1923, when the head fell off. Since around the early 2000s, students began to pray for the face, which had lost its body, meaning it will not fall any further, and the statue has been called the Great Buddha of passing exams.
The next one is Ueno Toshogu Shrine. Wow, it's golden.
Ueno Toshogu Shrine is a culturally significant Shinto shrine located in Ueno Park, Tokyo. This beautifully adorned shrine is dedicated to Tokugawa Ieyasu, the founder of the Tokugawa shogunate, which ruled Japan during the Edo period. The shrine complex features intricate architecture, colorful decorations, and a serene ambiance. It is a serene oasis in the bustling city, inviting both tourists and locals to appreciate its beauty and history.
The next one is Ameyoko Shopping Street. Lots of yummy looking food.
Ameyoko is one of the most famous shopping streets in Japan, with more than 400 stores in a 500-meter stretch located between JR Ueno Station and JR Okachimachi. There are many ways to enjoy Ameyoko, such as shopping and eating.
Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Well, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye!